Today I have explained the two stanzas of the poem. Next day, the next part of the poem. Part means the teaching of the poem. I will explain. So on the basis of today's lecture, you take some questions. Question number 1. What does William Wordsworth here want to say as slumber? What does William Wordsworth here wants to say as slumber within single inverted comma slumber? Question 2. Why the poet is in state of grief? Why the poet is in state of grief? Question 3. According to the poet, what has happened with his beloved after her death? According to the poet says in the poem, according to the poet, what has happened with his beloved, beloved, beloved after her death? Now, question 4. This is an extract. Note down the line. No motion, second stanza. 2 lines. No motion, has she now no force. She neither hears nor sees. These 2 lines of the second stanza. Roman number 1. From where these lines are taken? From where these lines are taken? Roman number 2. Who is referred as she with an inverted comma here? Who is referred as she here? Roman number 3. Why she has no motion and no force? Why she has no motion, no force? Already I have told you, because she has lost the human structure. When she was a human being, all the activities which humans do, she used to do. She used to execute. But since she is dead, only her soul, it has become eternal and it has become the part of nature. And rest already I have told you. Accordingly, whatever you feel, you can write. 4. Roman number 4. She had motion or force previously? Question mark. She had motion or force previously. In the same question, why? 5. Question 5. Give the synonym of motion. Give the synonym of motion. So guys, this much for the day. First you read this poem, very short poem, only 2 stanzas. Try to understand each and every line. After that, note down the word meanings. Those word meanings, those are given in your book. If it is not given, if you feel any word you cannot understand, you note it down in the notebook and search the meaning and note down in your copy. And after that, you solve these 5 questions, whatever you feel. Don't take any strain. Don't exaggerate yourself. Easy. And whatever you feel, you pen down. Okay? So, till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.